Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to use Google Gemini. If you don't have Google Gemini on your phone, you should download this app and I will show you how to use it. I already installed this app. So first of all, I'm going to open this. This will be interface of Google Gemini. You can create image, write anything, build an idea, deep research, create a video or everything. Video option will be available in some countries. Some countries still not get a video option. So here I am showing you everything that Google Gemini provide. So first of all, I'm going to plus icon. Here I can upload documents, my photos or anything I want. And there is another option where I can create videos, create images, deep research, canvas. So first of all, I'm going to create an image. So just write, give a prompt, a cat playing with ball. So let's see how Google Gemini will generate. So here is a photo, a cat playing with the ball. That's really good. You can also have a new chat option, storybook, career guide, and history of your chats that you can check. And if you want to, there is no animation option. You can save it, but you can make video with the Google Face. That will take time. Uh, New chat. So here is another option. I will see deep research. If you want anything about deep research, so you can search any topic like you can say power plants. I can write power plants. So here we go. Let's see what it will provide. Will it be better than ChatGPT or research website? Ready in a few minutes. It will take a time, so I will say go with start research. So it took a little bit of time. So right now, the after research I got a report of something. So let's go for open. Oh, this make a whole research report. Oh my god, this is really good. You can use this kind of feature in Google Gemini. So you just download it. You have two options, 2.5 for thinking 3 Pro, and you can also have a voice option that you, if you want to use, you can also use this kind of option. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. I will share more videos with you like this. Thank you so much.